East New York. I'll tell y'all niggas something right now, man. It's real niggas speaking. The Brooklyn, the talk of New York. I'm the king of Brooklyn. If you think I'm playing, you gon' find out the hard way. Real nigga shit. Nigga, this is real nigga shit. Nigga, let me spit straight bars for you real quick. Ain't nobody hotter than me. Yo. When I was young, niggas used to beat me up for fun. That was fake shit, cause I ain't the one that ain't had my gun. And when I got older, my heart got colder. I needed more girls in my life, more C's, when the Terrence and C's. One girl turned on me, her name was Tiny. When I was young, she made me cold-hearted, and I loved her. She was my heart. The bitches turned on me first, but everybody they different, so I respect the differences. Motherfucker, it's real. When I'm gonna find a loyal girl that's deep up in my world. One time for the time, hitting them up. I asked this girl, NFL was the game, but now niggas be tripping. Niggas going crazy for the money, now they flipping. This world is tripping, yeah, this world is tripping. Now bodies is laying down, these niggas missing. Hardcore niggas start acting feminine. These niggas is super fake. World is tripping, yo, the 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 world is tripping. Real talk, every day is world is tripping. Yo, my dad got locked up when I was 7 years old. That shit was cold, my heart was frozen. I ain't give a fuck about a nigga. I shoot him down, car windows up, hitting the round. Any nigga act up, we gon' hit with the sounds. I don't give a fuck, hit him up with the pound. 9mm, shoot him in the head, send him to the mall, hit his ass fucking dead. Getting money out here like a top. Niggas know me, I talk for a reason, but the reason never stop. Niggas on the block, damn bitch, come on girl, you wanna chill with me, mac with me. I wanna be in with you, I wanna be friends with you. If I was your best friend, would you want me all around and then we could get married then? Maybe I think about taking you down. Just be yourself, just be real like I'm real, cause I'm a real nigga. I ain't got time for that fake shit. The world is going crazy, the world is going crazy. Let me go, the world is going crazy. This shit is going down, this shit is going down. Fire shot down when it's not around. The world is going crazy, the world is going crazy, the world is going crazy. Real shit is real, man. This world is going crazy, this world is going crazy. Yeah, you heard this world's going crazy. You know about me, from the truth I don't lie. I smack a nigga in his face, or this tooth in his high. Mad niggas say they real, they will stick with they mans. Real niggas hold they own ground, do you understand? I'm like an OG, I learn shit so fast like a sponge. Hitting them up with a gun, mad bitches, they be fucking other niggas, they be lying. Come on, I know some bitches that's real out there, but I can't wait till I bump up to that loyal bitch out there, cause I'm a loyal nigga.